Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review SuiteDash. SuiteDash is a business productivity tool and it's an all-in-one business software that will improve the communication and team collaboration of your business. And they are saying that SuiteDash is a comprehensive software that combines business essentially into pre-integrated white label ready platform. So this platform will be completely white label, guys. You do not have to worry about white labeling. You do not have to worry about branding. You can make it completely white label. And then if you see the lifetime deal pricing of this deal, here the single code pricing is 129 USD. Here you can get 100 GB storage, 3 staff or team members, and all features are available. I will explore all the feature, guys, after some time. And if you need more storage, more team member, then you have to upgrade to more code basically. And see, on highest code 10 codes, you will get 2 terabyte storage and it's 1219 USD. And this tool is little bit expensive, but the value that this tool is providing is huge, guys. And you can get at least 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on SuiteDash lifetime deal. And see, this tool has gotten 231 reviews from AppSumo and the reviews are almost 4.5 star. So the tool is really good, guys. Most of the people is saying that the tool is good, but someone is giving here bad reviews also. So we will try to explore how it will help us and how it can be helpful to grow our business. So let's go to the dashboard and see, they have overall 4.5 star review. And this is the dashboard of SuiteDash, and there have lots of feature, guys. If I want to explore all the feature, then it will take maybe hours, but I will try to explain all the feature as soon as possible in shortest period of time. And see, this is the dashboard, and on dashboard you will see step by step instruction how you can white label the branding and how you can customize your portal. See, and then they have CRM option. So there have, if you just click here more info, then it will provide you the information about it. That means it will provide you the blog article, and by reading this blog article you can step by step customize this SuiteDash portal. So these are the things in the dashboard section. After that, they have calendar. Now if I go to this calendar section, see, they have my calendar, appointment types, default availability and sitting. So you can use it as your appointment software also. And see, this is my calendar, and here you can see step by step on who is date, who is work, or who is task you have to done. You can assign it to your team members also. And see, this is one task basically, and all your task will be saved here in my dashboard. My dashboard is new dashboard, that's why there is no much work, only one task is available. But if you want to use it professionally, then definitely you will get a lots of works here. I hope you get idea. And see, this is January. Let's say I will go to March, and here all your task will be stored or designed here. And then they have appointment type. If I go to this appointment type section, then you will get this interface, and whenever you will come to any interface, it will provide you one description about this section. See here, what is appointment type section, how it can be helpful for us, and they have written it. If you read it, then you will get more idea. Now see, you can add your appointment. Just click here, add appointment type, and then here you can add your appointment type, public description, success message, button text, and etc. Let me write everything, guys, and then I will come back. See, guys, I have written here the appointment type, doctor appointment, and here is the public description. Here is the success message, and this success message will appear in a pop-up after this appointment is booked. And here is the button text. That means by clicking on this button, people have to book the appointment. And then you can assign this appointment to a specific stuff. And in my dashboard I have only one step, that's why I can select one. But in your case, if you have multiple step, you can select any step from here, and then select a staff member whom will be notified when the appointment is created. Let's say I'll select here this person here. And as I have said, guys, you can customize everything from here. You can white label it completely. As you can see, complete white label feature is available here. And here you can change the color, you can change the icon. Let's say I will upload here one icon. Let's say this is the icon. You can crop it, and then if you accept it, just click here on this button, and then your icon will be saved. And then they have visible to all contact. You can enable it, and then show or hide to a specific circle. You can show or hide to a specific circle basically. That means this appointment you can hide from all prospect, from all client or prospect. You can select these things, but I'm not selecting. I want to make it visible to all contact. So these are the things. After doing everything, just click here on this add, and then your appointment will be saved here. See guys, the appointment has been created. Now it's inactive. If you want to active it, then you have to activate it basically. And then you can select your default availability time, and then they have settings also. See guys, this is the feature of default availability, and here let's say on Sunday you are not available, you can add more unavailable time here. Let's say I will select here from uh, this time to this time, from 8 10 a.m. to 7:40 p.m. I'm not available, let's say on Sunday. And on Monday I'm not available from this time to this time. You can select it in this way basically. For every day you can select how much time you are available or not. I hope you get idea guys. And here are the thing, and you can preview this page also, but let me show you other things. See, duration for appointment you can select, pairing between appointments you can select different times from here, and starting time interval you can select. So a lot of things that you need to have to showcase your default availability is available here basically. After setting up everything, just click here on this save, and then if you want to see the preview, then from here you have to just click on this preview button. See guys, this is the preview. In this way people will see your available time, and then people can book the appointment with you basically. They can select their time zone also. If they select the time zone, then depending on their time zone the timing will change. How amazing it is, right? So in this way you can use it as your appointment booking software also. So this tool SuiteDash is an all-in-one business software guys. So this is one small feature that SuiteDash is offering, but SuiteDash has a lot of other feature also. I'll explore them. Let me go to the setting before exploring the other functionality. See, they have setting, and here is the setting option guys, and there have two types of setting: appointment setting and calendar default setting. You can here customize everything basically. I'm not showing you much, but you can here customize everything you can customize everything. You can make it depending on your brand. I hope you get idea. After that they have CRM solution also. Now if I go to the CRM section, they have contacts option, circles option, events, deals, and setting. If I go to the contact section at first, see guys, here is the contact section, and here you can add your client's contact basically. Just click here add contact. You can also add bulk contact here. See, bulk option is available here, but let's say I will add here on contact. So just click here add contact, and then you will get this interface, and from here you can select the role. Let's say prospect I will select, and then let's say send portal access invitation immediately. You can send it, and here add the contact details of your contact basically, or of your client. So let me add the contact details, and then I'll come back again. See guys, I have added here the name prefix. You can select the name prefix. You can add the first name, last name, and primary email. And if you want to add their home email and work email, you can add them also. I'm not adding, but you can add basically if you want. After that they have photo or any type of file that you want to add. Let's say I will add here one file. Let's say this is one file, so I want to add it. I'll just click here, click on this crop, and then coordinator. You can select your stuff from here basically, and if you have salesperson you can select it. In my case I don't have. And here company, I don't have any company selected also. So you have to save these companies basically, and then you can select it. I hope you get idea. And let's say I want to add one company, so just click here add company, and then let's say the company name is, let's say, Pass IT, and then category, let's say distribution. You can select here address. Let's say this is the address, and here you can select circle. See, there have circles option. You have to add the circle from here at first, and then you can add the circle here. I hope you get idea. And email marketing audience, you can select your email marketing audience here. I have only one audience, odd one. In your case, if you have multiple audience, then you can select any audience from here basically. And they have LMS, and as you can see they have LMS solution also at the bottom. I will explore them after some time. And event generator, you can select the event folder, everything you can customize basically. And after that just you have to save it. So you can add their location, every details about this contact you can add here. I hope you get idea. And then after doing it, just you have to save it. Basically, see, they have save button, you have to save it. And then if you back here, then you will see all your contact. So in this way you can add single contact, but if you want to add bulk contact, it's also possible. You can add all your contacts in bulk way. See, they have bulk edit, you can add them. I hope you get idea, guys. Here is the details about this client or prospect. And then they have circle, you can create different circle. Now what this circle is, circle means type of contact. Let's say you have some marketing contact, you have some sales contact, you have some another type of contact. So you can make different circle, and then you can categorize all your contacts in different category or in different circle. And you have to just click here add circle, and then you will get access. See, here is a cycle name, let's say circle 1, this is the name. And you can add description here, let's say this is some dummy description. And user, you can assign the user here, let's say I will assign this to user here. Let's say this is these are my two users. So okay, okay, it's done. Now custom field category, you can also add here custom field category. You can select different colors, let's say I will give maybe this color. And then here you can select add all new clients to this circle, add all new prospect to this circle, create and sync an associated marketing audience for this circle. So let's say I will enable the last one, I will not enable the first one. But if you want to enable, depending on your need, you can enable. And then just click here add, and then they will be added. And see, this is the cycle that has been created. And see, this two contact I has been added under this cycle. You can create here multiple cycle in the same way. After that, they have events. Now if I go to this event section, then see, this is the event section, and they're saying that an event is a scheduled reminder. Creating an event is a great way to keep track of future follow-ups with potential clients, meetings, presentations, or any planned event related to your business. So you can basically create event here. And to create event, you have to click here add event, and in the same way you will get the field to create your event. Let's say I'll select here this client. Here let's say this event is for this client, and you can add here your stuff. Let's say this is my stuff. And event, let's say event name is event uh, tau. So what is tau? My client name is tau. Okay. And then visible to public or shared with, you can share it with your selected user also, but I will keep it public, let's say. And date, you can select, let's say date will be 21st January, and time will be, let's say 12:45 am. And duration, let's say duration will be 45 minutes. Category, let's say category will be meeting. And here description, let's say this is my description, show this event on the contacts calendar. Let's say I want to show it, and send me a reminder for my event. Let's say I want to get the reminder also. And here you can select the way how you want to get the notification. And in my case, only email is available, but you can add here your phone, and other integrations are available here. I'll show you after some time what integrations they are offering here. And let's say you want to get the uh, notification, let's say 5 hours ago. So I'll select here 5. And you can add more notification here, just click here add notification, and then you can select more notification here basically. And then just click here add, your event will be added. So how this event will help you? And this event will help you by sending the notification. So by using the event section, it will make sure that you are not missing any of your client meeting, any of your client work. I hope you get idea. After that, they have deals option. If I go to this deal option, here is the deal section. And a deal is a mechanism to help you track income opportunities within a visual pipeline. It progresses through a stage until it is either ultimately owned or lost, it's they are saying. So you can read it, guys, to get more idea. Anyway, guys, now let me create one deal here. Just click here add deal, and then let's say this deal is for this Ali Abdal. And then deal name is, let's say, email marketing campaign campaign design. and then here is the details. Let's say this is the details, and category, let's say my category is um, let's say logo design, or you can select web design, anything. And these categories I have created in another section, I will show you after some time. And expected close date, let's say close date will be 26, and here expected value, let's say expected value will be this amount, or you can select your uh, currency, and the available currency are USD and euro right now, I think. So I can select here only USD or euro, so I'll select here USD. And stage, let's say it's on, let's say stage 3, you can select here different stage. Let's say I'll select here proposal mode, and here you can also select your stuff, that means to whom it will be redirected. And then they have option followers will receive an email notification when this deal is created. So let's say I want to send the email notification, and then I'll just click here on this add, and then this deal will be added. See guys, the deal has been created. Now if I enter to this deal, then you will get more details about this deal, and then you can customize these deals. You can track on the or progress of your deal from here. See guys, here is the deal section, and here you can see the name and the amount and the progress. You can see own or lost. Let's say you own it, so just select here own. You can reopen it also from here, but I'm not reopening it. You can here select own or lost basically. I hope you get idea. Here you will see the description and history, everything, every details about this proposal or about this project you will see from here. I hope you get idea. Now let me go back, and then they have automation section also. See manage automation, and I'll explore the automations after some time, I think. But here you can configure different automation in short, I can say. See, they have option to add different automation also. You can add different automation. I'm not going in details, but you can add different automation. Let's say if it is on contact mode, then what you want to do. If it is on demo scheduled stage, then what you want to do. So you can automatize everything basically from here. I hope you get idea. After that, they have sitting. If I go to the sitting section, here you can select do your primary deals with company rather than individual as your contacts. You can enable it, and then they have company sitting. They have default field. You can also add here custom field. Now, what this custom field means, let's say from your client or to your deal section, you want to add one custom information that is not available by default on SuiteDash. So you can add the custom information here. I'm not adding right now, but it's very easy guys, you can add it also. So these are the things have under the setting section, and you can white label everything as I have said you. On SuiteDash you can white label everything. You can change the size, you can change the color, you can change the font, you can change the writing, everything you can change. You can change the logo, you can change the domain name also from here. After that, they have office. Now if I go to this office section, you can generate invoice, you can also generate estimates, proposal, documents, payments, and gateways are also available, and they have sitting. Now if I go to this invoice section under this office, here you can generate invoice for your business. And see, I have created previously one invoice, and if I open this invoice here, see the invoice will look like that, and it's very professional invoice guys. See, it's in draft mode, and here all your business details, and here is the total balance, and here is the invoice date, and here is timer. You can select timer guys, and depending on this timer, it will automatically calculate the a price. Let's say for 30 minutes you have to pay $30. Now you have worked for 45 minutes, and it will calculate automatically the amount of price that has been generated, and then automatically it will generate the invoice. And see, this is one automatically generated invoice guys. See, the timer 1, total quantity is 2.80, and rate is this, and amount is this. And here is the things guys, I hope you get idea. And you can calculate the tax also. In my case, tax is 0. So these are the things, I hope you get idea. You can print it, you can download it from here, and this is the whole idea guys. So guys, here is the PDF format of the invoice, and in this way you can generate invoice. Here I'll show you this timer after some time. And then they have estimates. Now if I go to this estimate section, then you will get this interface. And before exploring the estimate section, let me explore the timer. See, here is the timer, and here you can run the timer basically. Let me run the timer at first, and then at the end of this video I will show you how to generate the invoice automatically. So let's say the work is video creation, and let's say the price will be, let's say this is the price $145, and then you can just click here track timer, and then your timer will be started, and then you have to work, and depending on your time, how much time you have worked, it will generate the invoice for you automatically. These are the things, and then just click here on this estimate to add the estimate here. Let me click here add estimate. Here you have to select the user. Let's say in my case user is this Ali Abdal. You can select multiple user basically here, and then you can assign to contacts in one or more client or circle, and that means you can select a circle also, and all the people who will be under this circle, they will be added to this estimate basically. And here is the title. Let's say the title will be estimate 1, and here valid until let's say the valid date will be until 26, and then converted invoice related due date. Let's say here I'll select maybe not 68, let's say I'll select it as 21. And what it is, if you select here, see that saying that when the estimate is converted to an invoice, set the invoice due date to this number of days after the conversion date. And then here have note, you can also add here some note if you want. Let's say this is my note, and then here item, you can select here item, and if you don't have any item, you can add this item here. There have the option in some place to add item. To add item from here, you have to just click here add new item, and then you can add your item here also. Let's say item 1, and here is the item description, let's say, and rate for this item is, let's say this is the rate, and quantity is, let's say this is the quantity. Discount value, let's say 4% discount they will get. And save, you can save the item for later, and you can also add text here, and then just click here add, and this item will be added here. See guys, the item has been added here. Here is the quantity, here is the rate, here is the item discount, here is the tax, and there have no tax in my dashboard. I haven't set up it, but if you set up the tax, then you can select the tax basically from here. And in this way, you have to add multiple item from here basically. I'm not adding any more item, but you can add. Also, you can add discount, you can add taxes basically from here. Let's say I will add one tax here. Just click here add new tax, and then here let's say I will add the name as tax 1, and here it will be the description and rate. Let's say the tax will be tax rate will be 15%, and then here apply after discount. Let's say yes, I want to apply it after discount, and you can save the tax for later, and you can also add it as global tax, and then just click here add, and this tax will be added here. See guys, the tax has been added. I hope you get idea guys about this section, and now you can add this tax basically here. And these are the things, and here automatically it will calculate the subtotal amount basically. You can add the organization address, terms and condition. Let's say here is the terms and condition. You can add note about it, and then they have payment description. You can give here payment description, and I'm adding here some dummy text guys just to show you, but in your case you have to do these things very professionally. And then they have payment setting. You can select here currency, and then they have allow partial payment. You can also allow here partial payment. If I enable it, then you can set up the partial payment basically from here, but I'm not enabling it. Let's say I'll disable it. And you can attach any file if you want. Let's say I'll select one file here. Let's say this is the file C49 KB, and this is the file that I have added. And then they have currently configured automation. You can configure automation also, and I'll explore this automation things in inside this automation section guys. That's why I'm not exploring it right now. And let's say the publish setting will be this one, est_1. You can also here enable send the client an email notification when this estimate is saved with open status. Let's say I want to send him, and when invoice is created, send email notification. So let's say I want to send it also. Now if you want to make it draft, you can just click here save as draft, but let's say I want to open it, so I'll just click here save as open, and then it will be saved successfully. See guys, the estimates has been created, and I have created the estimate for 2 person, and that's why 2 estimates has been created. Now if I enter inside this estimate, see here is the estimate. You can see the total amount they have to pay. It will calculate everything from here basically. Here is the terms and condition, here is the note. So everything in there have added very professionally, and you can approve it. Let's say I will approve it. So let's say I'll just click here on this approve, and then this estimate will be approved. And after approving this estimate, automatically here one invoice will be created. See, the invoice has been created for this estimate. Why? Because it has been approved, so automatically this estimate will be created basically. Now you can download the invoice from here. I hope you get idea. See, they have been redirected me to their invoice section, and here this inv one has been generated automatically. So in this way the invoice will work and the estimates will work. I hope you get idea guys about the invoice section and estimate section of SuiteDash, and it's very professional guys, very easy to create. After that they have proposals, so you can create here proposals for your client. Let me go to the proposal section, and from here click on add proposal to create the proposal, and you can create dynamic proposal and direct proposal. Let's say I will create one dynamic proposal. So if I select here, then okay, nothing is happening. You can basically create proposal from here guys, but in my case if I click here, I'm not getting any option. I'm not sure why. Let me click here on this add proposal. Okay, here is the proposal section. It will take some time basically, and here you have to give the proposal title. Let's say proposal for, let's say I'll give here for web design, and here relative valid until, let's say until 3. You can select week, month, year, days. Let's say I'll select days, and value, let's say this is the value, and currency is USD, let's say. And here is the description of this proposal. Let's say this is the description, and here accept and sign section. So if I click here, you can customize this writing from here, but I'm not customizing, I'm keeping it as it is. And then you can add a blank page also. You can also add from page template. So I'm not adding, I'll just activate this simple proposal here. So let me click here activate, and then this proposal will be created. See guys, and this is the proposal that has been created, and in this way you have to create the proposal guys. Also they have proposal template, you can see page template, full templates are available. Also they have settings for proposal. I'm not exploring these things guys. Why? Because it will take a lot of time, because in this SuiteDash tool they have a lots of feature. If I want to explore all the feature, then it will take a lot of time. Already a lot of time has been consumed anyway guys. And then they have documents option. Now under this documents option you can generate different document basically. I'm not going to this document section, I'll go to the payment section. See guys, these are the payment gateways that are available inside the SuiteDash. They have Stripe. You can configure it with your Stripe account, with your authorized.net account, also with your Braintree and PayPal. You can enable here one-time payment and subscription payment also. And then they have another payment section, see only payments. Now if I go to this payment section, then you will see everything empty. Why? Because if anyone make a real payment, then all their payment details will be stored here basically. And in my dashboard I don't have any payment, that's why there you will see everything empty. But in your case, all your payments summary you will get here inside this section. And then similarly they have setting, and from this setting section you can customize your UI UX everything. After that they have project, and this project section you can create different project, different task, and you can customize your timer. So let me go to the project section at first to show you how you can create the project. Under this project section you can create different project for your different client or different prospect, and then you can create different task under different project, and then you can assign this task to your workforce or to your teammates basically. See, I have created previously one project. The name is project X. You can create new project. Just click here add project, and then you will be able to create new project. But I'm not creating new project now, I'll show you the previously created project. So if I click here on this project X, see guys, this is the project, and inside this project you can create different tasks. See, they have open, assigned, working, review, completed. So you can create here different tasks basically, and this is the Kanban view of your task. Let's say I will add one task here. Just click here on this plus icon and then add new task. Let's say if you just click here add task, and then you will get this interface, and here you have to add your task. Basically I'm not adding any task here because I just want to show you how it works, and in this way you can basically set up project, and under one project you can set up different task, and one project will be assigned for one of your client. I hope you get idea. And then they have timer, you can select the timer also, and see this timer is working here, 26 minutes has been done, and here you can set up this timer from this timer section, and all your works will be saved under this calendar section. The tool is very good guys, but the tool is very slow, it's working very slow in my case. I'm not sure why. See here is the timer section. If you want to add new timer, just click here add timer, then new timer will be added. See, I have added already one timer here. I hope you get idea. And see, if I go to the calendar section, then you will see the calendar view of all your tasks inside this project. And as I have said that that tool is slow guys, whenever I have clicked on this calendar, it's taking a lot of time, and I think the development team of SuiteDash will improve it as soon as possible. But because this is very boring thing, because to go to one step to another step, it's taking a lot of time. See, and this is the calendar view. Similarly, they have files, you can share your files here. They have team talk, and they have talk option, or chat option. You can basically chat with your team about this project, and then you can organize this project by chatting basically. See guys, here is the team talk option. If you just click here plus icon, add team talk, and then let's say I will add here one subject, let's say sub 1, and here I will add the message. Let's say this is the message. You can also add here different types of thing. You can add here image, video. See, I have added here one video. You can add here text also. Let's say I will add here some text. Let's say these are my text, and then I'll just click here send message, and this message will be delivered to my team members who have access with this project. Now they can reply to this message. They can work on whatever I have said inside this message. Also similarly, they have client talk and sitting. I'm not exploring these things guys, but I hope you get idea what is client talk. On client talk, you can talk with your client, and inside the sitting you can customize the UI UX. You can customize the color, font size, fonts, etc. from this sitting option. See guys, here is the client talk section, and if you just click here on this client talk, then you can create one client talk, and here you can basically send message to your client. I hope you get idea about this project section guys. It's huge guys. If I want to explore every step by step, then it will take a lot of time. That's why I'm extremely sorry, because I have skipped some of their functionality, but their functionalities are working very smoothly, except their loading time. It's taking much time to load basically. I hope you get idea. After that, they have marketing solutions, and under this marketing solution you can basically create campaign. Now if I go to this campaign section, here you can create your campaign, but before creating your campaign you have to create your audience, and to create your audience you have to go to this audience section. Here you will get all your audience. See, I have two audience, odd one and circle one. This circle one I have created from circle. Let me show you, maybe from the CRM section. Yes, from here circle. So all your circles will be acted as a audience. Also you can create different audience from here. Just click here add new audience, and your audience will be created, and here you can see how many subscribers have inside your audience section. And after creating your audience, now what you have to do, you have to go to the campaign section, and then you have to click on this add campaign, and here you have to customize your SMTP or your Google Workspace, and then you can run your email marketing campaign by using this SuiteDash basically. I hope you get idea. So this SuiteDash will also work as your email marketing solution. This SuiteDash will work as your appointment solution, as your CRM solution, as your office solution. It will work as your project management software. It will work as your email marketing software. Also they have content management. See, they have content management, they have files option. I'm not exploring the content management anymore guys. You can explore it by your own. Inside the content management section you can manage all your content basically, and you can plan about your content. And they have files option. Inside the files option you can share your files with your team member and with your clients, and you can generate or you can create different form also. See, they have forms option. So if I go to the form section, Here you can create different form. See, I have created two form previously. See guys, this is one form and this is very simple form. Here you can collect the email, first name, last name, and then people have to submit here. To create a new form, what you have to do is just click here on this create form, and then you will get this interface. Here you can create kickoff form, update form, and general form. Let's say we want to create one general form, so I'll select the general. You can select anyone from here, and then you will get this interface. Here you have to select the specialty type. So let's say I will add here one audience, load specialty, and they're saying this will completely overwrite all fields. Okay, so I have the audience, but here I'm not seeing any audience. I'm not sure why. Anyway, guys, here at first you have to select the audience, and then here you have to give the title. Let's say, and the title will be test form, and then here you can add first name, last name, email address. And if I click on this drop down menu, you will get more functionality about each step. See, here you can make it record. You can also add here placeholder. You can here add pre-fill value, and read only. You can make it read only. Also you can make this field hidden. So if you want to make create here placeholder, just enable it, and here insert placeholder. Let's say as placeholder I want to keep last name here, and in this way you have to customize everything basically from here. I hope you get idea. And if you want to create new field, you can create new field also from here. See, here I have the option to create new field. In this way you have to create the form. So the thing is, you can also create here form. After that, there have the option named flow. So if I go to this flow section, let me unsave it because I do not want to create any form right now, but you can create basically. Now there have flows. If I go to this flows section, this is the flow section. Now what is flow? They are saying that flows are automated sequence you can build with steps, and each step acts as a different page within the flow, and each has its own unique function. So to use this flow, you have to set up the automation at first, and that's why I'm going to the automation section. If I go to automation section, as you can see here under this automation section, you have to create the auto template. And see, this is the automation section, and here to add one automation, just click here add auto template, and then you will get this interface. And see, that's saying that start creating auto template. So let me click here, and if I click here, here they will ask you to give the template title. Let's say the template title will be test auto, and then here if I just click here on this plus icon, and here see, you can select a lot of automation here: convert to client, send email to target, email external, email internal, then send SMS, send portal access invitation email, set custom field value, set coordinator, add or remove tag, add to a specific circle, remove from a specific circle, add to team. A lots of automations are available here. See, send file request, dynamic proposal generator, convert to invoice, apply task template. So you can set up anyone. So let's say I will select here add to circle. So if I select here add to circle, and then this step will be added here. And to which circle I want to add, here I have to select. Let's say I want to add him to circle 1, and then what I want to do, I will just click here on this plus icon, and then let's say I want to add him to one of the specific audience. So to which audience I want to add him, odd one. This is one of my audience list. And then let's say I want to send a file request. So I'll select here, and then who is file request I want to send, here I have to select basically. And let's say I do not want to keep this automation here, so I can delete here just by clicking on this plus icon. So in this way you have to select the automation what you want to do, and whenever you will create this automation, you do not have to do every time. It will be done by SuiteDash automatically. I hope you get idea. Let's say I will add another. Let's say I will add apply task template. Let's say I'll select this one, apply task template. Here you have to select the task template, and the date apply to and project status you have to select basically. I hope you get idea, and in this way you have to create your automation at first, and after creating this automation, you have to build your flow. See, here is the flow section. From this flow section you can build your flow basically by using this automation template. And then they have messaging option. If I go to this messaging option, they have inbox and send. You can send message to your customer, to your client, and to your colleagues or to your team member also. After that, they have LMS solution also. See, a lots of solution there are available, guys, so you can explore these features from here, and it's all-in-one business solution. And see, they have calendar, so appointment features are available here. They have CRM functionality, they have office functionality, they have project management solution, they have marketing solution, they have content management solution, they have file sharing option, they have form builder, they have flow builder, automation builder, also they have message feature and learning management system. I hope you get idea. And this tool will be completely white labeled. From this setting option you can white label your dashboard completely. See, here I have added my logo, and you can also add here your custom domain. So I'm not increasing the video length anymore, guys, because the length has been increased a lot already. So if you think, guys, you need this type of tool by which you can get one all-in-one solution for your business, then you can get this SuiteDash lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this SuiteDash lifetime deal in the description of this video. You can get 10% discount on this pricing. Just go to the description and get the 10% discount on SuiteDash lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.